Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have the latest mini drones from DJI, and this is the new species from DJI and it's called DJI Neo. Here we can find the information about the mini drone, and this time for DJI Neo is not as professional as their middle or high end. I think this is a basic entry level vlog drones for the creators. If you have not tried drones before, I think this is the one of the choice you should choose. Now this time I bought the controller together with the DJI Neo drone, and this time for the DJI Neo it can be controlled by voice controller and also the application DJI Fly. So next I'm going to use my mini knife cutter to unbox this mini DJI drones. Okay, it's so funny. Let's see what kind of features this DJI Neo mini drone support. And yes, now here first let's go to the DJI Neo, the drones, and from this side we can find some information. This time for the DJI Neo it's just 135 grams, it's very light. Also it's a lot of functions for the entry level. And also it supports AI and multiple controller choice, and also the 4K and well protected. And from the back side of the box we can find the checklist in the box: aircraft, flight battery, protection, the cover, and the spare propeller, and also the screwdriver, and also USB, and also the use menus. So okay, let's come to the point and go to the product itself. So here the left one is the Neo, okay, DJI Neo drones, and the right one is the DJI remote controller. Okay, next I will use my knife, the mini knife, unboxing the mini drones. Yeah, okay, first drones. Whoa, very nice. Okay, let's print the box and let's check what's inside. So after we open the box, okay, the drones is just protected in a plastic bag. Okay, very easy design box, because I think it's compared to the Mini, Air or Mavic or Avenger or Phantom other series, this one is much simple for them. So very simple design box, and to check the accessories first, one by one. Okay, so the blade, screwdriver, the cable, and also okay. This is the user manual. I think the user manual is inside this soft plastic bag. Okay, gift card from DJI store, blade, propeller, 2, and it have 3 blade. And so this is the whole stuff inside the DJI Neo box. Drones, screwdriver, DJI store card, gift card, DJI form, and you can scan the QR code to join the community, and also charger, the blade. Okay, so nothing special, and also if we scan the QR code we get the DJI Care, you get the service like return and get a new one if your drone is broken. And also this is the okay, it's the EAS day. I think it's the kind of information for the drones, because not everywhere can fly drones in the world. You need to learn the rules and instructions, or because some places cannot fly, it's limited to fly drones. Okay, so nothing special for this part, and much language. And okay, the drone pilot, you are responsible for flying your drone safety. So okay, nothing special, just some instructions and rules we need to learn. Can be fly the drones, and also the menu, the warranty card, the guideline. Okay, nothing special. Read away, quick guide, also read away, and also okay, this is the DJI sticker. Okay, read away. Okay, so this old accessories and stuff inside. So okay, let's open it and check it. Okay, after we get the drones from the plastic bag, you can find it have a very mini size, and also the camera is well protected, and there are 2 buttons. I think for the bottom one is the battery, we can charge it. Yes, this is the battery, and for the buttons near the camera is a button for you to switch from different kind of mode, like follow, circle, away, rocket. So very easy for you to use it. And also this time for the ROM, 22 GB ROM, and the DJI Neo support 4K 30p videos, and also you can get a quick transfer fire for the fire in the drones. You can get quickly transferred to your phone. And this is the battery. You can choose, this time you can choose to buy 3 battery or 1 battery, or you can choose 1 battery with controller. So you can lot of choice for you to choose. If just 1 battery, you can just get 17 to 18 minute flying times, and also the maximum is 7 kilometers, because the battery is just a 60 watt, and also you can adjust the axis, the degrees of the camera. For down 90 degrees, for up 60 degrees. Okay, so next, okay, let's go to the controller. This is the DJI Neo controller. Okay, I will also use my mini knife to open it and check it. So yes, first let's also check what's inside the box. Okay, also a easy designed box, nothing special. So okay, let's throw it away. Here, this is the cable, and also this is the remote controller quick start guide. Okay, so just the cable, controller, and quick start guide. Okay, so this is the controller. Okay, yes, this can just throw it away. This is the place for fix your smartphone and connect your smartphone, and you can, it's a flexible, and also you can push it or pull it like a jogger, and it's very friendly for you to can collect it. And also where's the stick, the rocker, stick rocker, and yes, I know this is very flexible. And so okay, let's check the buttons. And first you need to turn on it if you want to connect to the phone. Short press the button and then long press the power button. And then first let's install the rock. Yes, very easy, just need to screw it, and the left one, and for this one is the rock, and also Okay, it's the charging cable for the drones, and here's the cable for connect drones to your smartphone. And also we can find there are a lot of buttons on the drone, drone controller. You can control the left, right, up and down, over or flying back. Okay, you can switch it from the flying mode to stable, normal, or sport, and also the power button. Rotated button, you can control the degrees of the camera. So it's very convenient, and you can easily learn it. Like the right is for the right button, rock button is for move forward or reverse. Also to control the side flying. Also red rockers can control the up and down. Also can choose the direction, flying directions. And yes, now it's what it looks like if we connect to the phones and you choose the controller to control the drones. It's kind of very nice design and very convenient. Okay, next, do some tests. Whoa, here we're testing the follow mode. Now the DJI is controlled by the application and it's follow the object, follow people, and it's move stable and very fast. And also can turn around to follow the people. It's very accurate and very nice, easy to use. And this is the DJI perspective. This is the perspective from the DJI. It follows the people and very stable. Also, this is the palm landing mode. This time to provide a lot of convenient functions like this. And away mode, also from DJI perspective, very easy to use. You just need to put your hand under the drums, it will ending, and this is the circle mode. You can next let's control the DJI by the remote controller. And this is much complicated, but you can also get more fun. It's customized. We can go through people, yes, follow people, and also you can fly into maximum 120 meters and maximum distance 3.5 kilometers. So the follow people is very funny. Convenient functions for these mini drones. Can move fast. You can see, move very fast. I can also accurately control it. Yes, let's turn around. Okay, move forward. Very nice. And if you get a stop it barrier, it will stop and then it will change the directions. And this is the beautiful skin way shooting from the high place, and we can find the beautiful skin. And also you can find the DJI Neo runs stable even it get a big strong wind, and also we can move very fast from very higher place to lower place, and we can adjust the camera degrees to choose to check it. Also very stable, and the 4K videos looks good. Okay, I just turn around the camera 360 degree. Okay, yes, very funny. Very nice. Now we find the strong wind, but it still runs stable. And let's go to a lower place, and then again to higher place. move. Okay, very strong wind. Whoa. Yes, very strong wind, but it's still stable. So this algorithm of DJI is cool, I will say. So it's very entry level products, but the performance of the device is good. And this is I think it's very good tools for the basic content creator. It can provide a lot of content you want. And also the Neo, the maximum speed is 60 meters per second, and for the sport it's 8 meters per second. The normal one is 6 meters per second, and it also can for the 4 grade wind like 8 meters per second is can also works well. And the maximum flying is 2000 meters. And after you shooting the content, it can have a shortcut for you to get a very short film. Very nice. And also, if you want to experience the immersive videos, immersive experience, you can choose the FPV glass. Use this to go through the place. And for the image transfer distance, FCC is 10 kilometers. So this is a very quick unbox and simple test video of the DJI Neo. And to be frank, this is my first drones, and also this is my first time to flying drones. I think DJI did a good job for me. It's very easy to use, and also the performance of the drones is good. It's a bit unexpected because I think it's very hard for me to use, but the first time I use it, I think it's very friendly to use and easy to use. So if you want to choose, I think if you want to choose a drones, especially for the entry level, and you never tried before, I think this is one of your choice for you to choose. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Let's enjoy more videos later, and here are some pictures I took. Bye bye.